channel. I hope you guys keeping well and safe. Today's video, it's a quick tutorial on a braid out hairstyle. I've been using my braids that I've kept for 1 week, and as you can see, it's old now. My hair is coming out, so they gotta go. Yeah, sis need a new hairstyle. If you find me looking too much to my left, it's because the mirror is on the side and I need to keep checking what the hell I'm doing. So let's get started. All you need is a water spray bottle. I'm gonna be using some argan oil as well, because I think my hair might be a bit dry, especially on the ends and here on the top as well. I'm gonna use a comb and also a few hair clips just to make it cute. I got this hair clip that says Heaven from Dignita website. They have some cute headbands, hair clips like this. They also have an Instagram page, so you can go and check them out. So I'm gonna start by undoing my braids. I don't have many, but yeah, it'll be a quick job. So let's get started. I always love hairstyle like this. It's like, I always love braids. Like, you never know what you're gonna get, but as you can see, look how beautiful the hair looks. It's like you don't even have to do much. You don't have to curl it. Just be careful. Just do it slowly so you don't damage. I was thinking to spray a bit of water first, actually, on my hair, just a bit. In this case, if you have somewhere to go, just use a towel to protect your clothes, because I'm getting wet. So just wet a bit the hair. Seriously, I don't know what's the outcome, but I really hope it's something cute. And also don't forget some oil. Just apply to the braids. Okay. Those braids won't look cute. This is my go-to protective hairstyle. I'm gonna do the same to all the braids. It's all done now. I'm gonna give you guys. So yeah, I must say that it feels like I came from the gym and I just work out my arms. Seriously, braids, but still I love them. Also gotta say that my front braids, they weren't very tight. That's why the shape is like this. It's really soft shape. But here you can kind of see how cute the braids were really tight, how cute it looks, but still quite happy with this. All I'm gonna do now is try to part the hair. I don't want to keep touching too much so I don't mess up the hair a lot. Just gonna put it to the side, just like that, a little bit. And then also I forgot to tell you guys that we'll need a bit of gel, eco gel, just a tiny bit. Just gonna wet it a little bit. Put it here on my edges. my hair clip, super cute, it's big as well, so I'm just gonna apply it here. And then the second clip, just to make sure it's really tight. Yeah, like that. So guys, that's the final look of my braids up. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, leave thumbs up and comment. Definitely subscribe is free, so don't forget to subscribe so you can see the new content every week. And that's it, guys. Ready to go.